It is day 2 of a trial of a woman accused of murdering her Massachusetts police officer boyfriend. Yesterday, the court heard opening statements in the trial of Karen Reed, who pleaded not guilty to second-degree murder for the 2022 death of John O'Keefe. Now, prosecutors allege that she hit O'Keefe with her car after a night of drinking, but her attorney says she's being framed as part of a cover-up involving multiple law enforcement agencies. Christina Rex from CBS News Boston is following this case.
Police dash camera video revealed in court Monday shows the moments after 44-year-old Karen Reed discovered her boyfriend, Boston police officer John O'Keefe's body in the snow.
She kept saying, this is all my fault. This is my fault. I did this.
O'Keefe was found dead outside of another Boston police officer's home in Canton, where Reed says she dropped him off at an after-party the night of his death.
From all of those people within that house that evening, none of them at any point in time observed John O'Keefe come into the house.
In opening statements, prosecutors painted the picture of a tumultuous relationship between Reed and O'Keefe.
In the month or so leading up to Mr. O'Keefe's death, the relationship soured.
Karen Reed was framed for a murder she did not commit.
Reed's defense team offered a different version of the story, claiming that the investigation was deliberately botched to protect the members of other law enforcement agencies at the after-party. They also suggested that evidence was planted later by police.
The number of pieces of taillight that were found by a minimum of 4 officers looking for evidence was 0. It was only later in the day, when the snow was really starting to accumulate, that the police miraculously started to find pieces of taillight on the property.
O'Keefe's brother Paul testified that his family had a friendly relationship with Reed, and he saw her at the hospital on the day of O'Keefe's death.
She was being restrained by hospital employees, and she was, screaming out to us, asking if he was alive.
For CBS Mornings, Christina Rex, Dedham, Massachusetts.
Today in court, the defense will cross-examine the first officer on the scene. We expect dozens of witnesses to testify in this case, including the residents of the home where his body was found.